The relationship between the two countries, Chongqing and Singapore, especially with regards to the trade, development and integration, there's a lot of momentum. I would also say that there's a lot of encouraging news to see that in terms of the collaboration between Singapore businesses as well as the Singapore government together with the Chongqing municipal government. We're starting to see a lot more conversations going and a lot more interesting projects that are happening. I think there's a lot more room to collaborate, a lot more opportunities to work on with regards to introducing technology, digitalization technologies, including carbon emission reporting in a digital way between Chongqing and Singapore. There's a lot of room and opportunities to also go deeper into how we want to find a common way of creating this green corridor, a common way of measuring carbon emissions between the trade routes, for the trade routes between Chongqing and Singapore. And that's why I'm here today to share a little bit more about CO2 Connect, how we can use IoT technologies to break this barrier of how do we create trust between trade routes for Chongqing and Singapore. So I would say, all in all, there's a gaining of momentum in terms of the relationship between Chongqing and Singapore. It's not there yet, we are not 100% there yet, but I think the best is yet to be. We see a lot of opportunities and room for improving this whole integration between Chongqing and Singapore. And I know in Chongqing, railway is a big issue. When we are talking about transport of cargo, key trade cargoes from certain provinces in China, all via railway. So I think these are the 4 key areas that we can look at when it comes to digitalizing the trade routes. I think one of the key things is that the Chongqing government as well as the Singapore government, what we are trying to work towards to is a unified view, a common platform for all parties to be able to see the transportation chains. So I think this is where IoT can play a big part of it. If it's not IoT, then I think there is room for electronic data integration between multiple platforms from Chongqing and Singapore side. And with the use of generative AI, we could actually get a lot more data insights to see how we can improve trade efficiency. Beyond trade efficiency, that's where we talk about the green digitalization. When we are able to see how all the transportation moves between the trade routes between Chongqing and Singapore, then we can actually measure and verify carbon activities or carbon emission activities for any of this road transportation. Yeah, so I see there's a lot of opportunities, especially when it comes to the compliance carbon credits markets, if we were to have one between Singapore and Chongqing.